Hello guys! I'm happy to tell you about the Trade Manager from MetaTrader. With this tool, you have several methods to choose from when it comes to calculating trade sizes. One method that stands out as the most popular among traders worldwide is risk balance. When you opt for this approach, the program disables the lot size field but enables the risk field. Here, you can input the percentage of your account balance that you're willing to risk in a single transaction. For instance, let's use a conservative 1% as an example. With this option, the program also conveniently displays the risk amount you stand to lose if your transaction is closed with a stop loss. To visualize this further, I'll draw risk to reward lines. And as we adjust the stop loss closer or farther from the opening price, the program automatically recalculates the trade size. Observe how the lot size changes accordingly. Once you've determined your optimal settings, all that's left is to place your order and execute your trade.